Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Nordea Biometric not working. First, make sure biometric login like Face ID, Fingerprint is enabled in the Nordea app settings. Go to the security or login settings in the app and turn it on if it's disabled. Next, head over to your settings app and then search for Face ID and passcode and check if your phone's biometric features is working properly. Try unlocking your device using Face ID or fingerprint to confirm that it is working. Then restart your phone and open the Nordea app again. Temporary glitches can stop biometric from working. Also, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Go to the App Store and then search for the Nordea app and make sure that it is updated to the latest version. If the issue continues, turn off biometric login in the app and set it up again from the beginning. That's how you fix the Nordea biometric login not working. Subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.